Today is a very special day for us, our anniversary and our wedding. Boo, thank you for your never-ending patience. Thank you for understanding every bit of me. I am forever grateful to have a partner that understands my every mood swings, someone who listens to my endless rants, and someone to share my joy, worries, and milestones in life.
But there's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will.
On this day, last 2017, you said your first yes at me. I am so grateful that you accepted me to be part of your life. We faced many challenges over the years, our ups and downs, we overcome those. Being part of you changes a lot through the years. It helps me to overcome those silent battles because of you.
Thank you for staying with me for 8 years. Today, I vow to cherish the beautiful soul that you are. I promise to annoy you, to forever support you in your dreams, and to forever be with you in this journey we call life. I love you, Boo.
Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will.
Congratulations on your wedding day.
Kida! Kanang sa niya, ako ikasal sa imo ha. Ang ayo-ayo mo. Basta ang happy mo perminti. Huwag na problema, istoryahan. Maroon masulbad. Amping lang permi. Lang.
Ano pa po ito?
Tama ito.
Yeah,
Love kay ka na mo.
Si KR mong good kay buotan, walay libog, niya responsible na pagkatao. Niya funny kaayo jud siya, as in like funny gid siya. Walay dull moments, niya like karon, especially karon nga kanang naga-duty nako sa hospital, like siya ang naga-lift sa burden. Ganun, inana siya nga pagkatao.
My love was as cruel as the cities I lived.
Kung promise sa iya karon, di lang sa karon na adlaw kundi brag hangtod-santod na paningkamutan na ma-okay among future na nagya po na akong pag-care of love sa iya sa among baby puhon, palanggaon tamong duha ni JM og suportaan ti ka permi.
But rather you bring what's forward with Mr. Forward. They are now ready to conquer the world as Mr. and Mrs. Felipe.
I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Look at the draw, only draws the unlucky.
Unta sa puhon, padayon na siya magbinuotan. Unta puhon, padayon na siya nga dili siya manghatag og problema, padayon na siya na iyahang pagkataon nga very funny and very walay libog na na person. Then dili na ko magsaad sa iya, dili na ko mag-promise. I will try to be a better person than I am right now. And unta siya po.
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never
Nanaman mo permi para sa mua. Nga, pinabangay lang. Kay mama po, kay yahabya po halos. Nga, mga de, kabalo na ka de, sa to ang sabot. Maurot, love po kay ka na mo. Maurot to, kwarta bi.
Group hug.
Remember, love, I'm always proud of you. Love, sobra. I love you always. Payaba ko ikang maray, kamo ni JM, sagod sa sagod.
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. And I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you.